How often a small creator should post on YouTube to grow? That's the $1,000,000 question, a question that lives in every small creator's mind, and almost no one can give you an exact answer. And that's why in this video, I want to share what I've learned after months of trying to grow on YouTube, studying what successful creators do, and experimenting on my own channel. Because the truth is that there isn't one magic number that works for everyone. Posting every day won't automatically make you successful, and once a month doesn't automatically mean you'll fail. So instead of giving you a generic answer, I want to break down what actually matters, how upload frequency affects growth, and how to find a posting schedule that you can realistically stick to without burning yourself out. Let's start from the beginning. Why is it so important to know the perfect number for posting? I believe that when we're starting YouTube, we want some kind of certainty. We want someone to tell us, post one or post twice. Because having that perfect number, then growth starts to feel somewhat predictable, right? Or at least that's how I see it in my mind. But the problem is that YouTube doesn't really work like that. If posting frequency alone determines success, every creator uploading daily would be successful. But we all know creators who upload constantly and barely get any views, while other uploads once every few weeks and still get thousands or even millions of views. Now, this doesn't mean that posting more is wrong altogether. Study like the one made by BitIQ last year states that channels posting 12 plus times per month grow their views nearly 8x faster and subscribers over 3x faster than those posting less than once a month. And compared to creators who post just 1 or 3 times per month, those uploading 12 plus times grow views 53% faster and get subscribers 66% faster. And they even said that the sweet spot will be 3 times per week if you can actually manage that. You can check the whole article in the description below. Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you that creating content doesn't have to cost thousands of dollars. I'm literally a proof of that. Most of what I use is affordable gear, and honestly, what matters most is showing up consistently. But if you do want to check out the equipment I use, you can find everything linked in the description below. And just so you know, those are affiliate links, which means if you decide to buy something through them, you'll be supporting the channel and helping me create more and better content at no extra cost to you. Alright, now let's get back to the video. But is this 3x time per week realistic for most people? It is also true that if you can handle this rhythm, you can burn out faster, get stressed, end up putting out lower quality content, or just quitting altogether. This type of schedule only works if you can sustain it for a month and not just for a few weeks. So I believe that we are missing something here, and it is something that we all fail to see every time, and that is that there's something more important than frequency. I want you to think about this. A great video once a week will usually outperform several week videos. Viewers don't subscribe because you upload often. They subscribe because your content helps them, entertains them, inspires them, or connects with them. The question that I want you to ask yourself is, would I rather make 3 average videos this week or 1 video I'm generally proud of? For most small creators, quality and improvement are better growth strategy than chasing an aggressive upload schedule. So at the end, what schedule should you follow? And the answer to that is that only you can tell. Think about this. What's the most content you can create consistently without sacrificing quality or burning out? For some creators, that will be 1 video per week. For others, it will be 2 per week. For others, it might be 3 videos per week. The right schedule is the one you can maintain for the next 6 months, because growth on YouTube is usually a marathon and not a sprint. And the only advice that I can give you is post often enough to improve, but not so often that you will quit. Focus on creating the best videos you can, learn from every upload, and choose a schedule you can stick to for the long run. Okay, so now you have a better idea on how to choose your perfect schedule for posting, but you might be still struggling with putting yourself in front of the camera. If that is your case, you can watch this video over here where I tell you how I overcame my fear of being in front of the camera. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.